never felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did.
So we're gonna check out the hives. We haven't checked them in a little bit. Just want to see how they're doing and how they're progressing with their honey storage and all of that, just to make sure everything's going well and nothing to worry about. We've had to do just a few little interventions here and there, like one of the hives had an ant problem that we had to deal with, and then having to add on another box, which is good because they're growing. So I try to really let them do their thing. I don't like to intrude because I try to stick to nature as much as possible, but also I'm aware that beekeeping requires that you pay attention and you help them if they need help. So yeah, I'm wearing white because I just read that bees like white, and basically just dark colors might make them think that it's a predator, like a bear, and that they're in danger. So obviously I don't want them to be worried. So yeah, so I'm wearing white. So Sage is getting the smoke going, and we're gonna get in there. I've been trying to not wear gloves and just keep my energy really calm. Nice. And they've been really gentle. We haven't been stung yet, so that's nice. And we try to just listen to what they're saying, and when they want us to leave and get out of the hive, then we try to get out as quickly as possible. So we'll see how it's going. This hive has been growing really quickly, so I'm excited to see how they're doing. We had a feeder set up for them inside because they're having an ant problem. So we're just checking to see how they're doing.
Hey girls. Still got a few ants though, but not nearly as bad.
That did not go how we were hoping. The ants seemed okay in the hive, like there wasn't really any ants in the hive. They're keeping them at bay, but it looks like an ant colony somehow moved into the lid. So we just put a little temporary lid on and brought the actual lid back to the house, and we're gonna try and get all the ants out because there's tons of them. Oh, they're all falling out. Yeah. Oh my.
Good.
That's disgusting. That's all larvae?
Yep.
Oh. Popsicle break.
Mm. Mm. sprig.
Lovely.
Ooh, that's a beautiful. Yay!
It is much later in the day today. We've had a pretty relaxed day, just doing some farm chores and catching up on stuff. Had to run into town, but overall just taking it easy today. I am gonna make a little rose honey tea. That's kind of my favorite these days. I've always heard and just experienced that rose is heart medicine, so given everything that I'm experiencing and feeling these days, I've been trying to really care for my heart, and rose is a great way to do that. And funny enough, the Anima Mundi rose powder is actually the first herbal item I bought as an adult. The Anima Mundi was stocked in the little like healthy smoothie place in my hometown, and I went in there and got it. I really love this powder. I bought it multiple times throughout my life. It was one reason why I'm so excited to be working with Anima Mundi for this video. It's literally a dream partnership. I feel so good about sharing their products with y'all because I truly love them. Incorporating herbs into our lives has been extremely beneficial. I have a huge wall of herbs, and I really love to work with them. I really love their Mangosteen Hibiscus powder. This is another really great one, and what I love about the powders is that you can actually bake with them, which is really fun. This one's really pinky and this one's kind of red, so you can, you know, add it into icing, or I like to add into the marshmallows that I make, give them a little rose flavor. There's just so much that you can do with them. I've seen people make really cool herbal popsicles for the summer, or you can add different powders into like lemonade. There's just a million ways to bring in herbs into your life. Tomorrow I'm actually going to be making a cardamom cake with rose whipped cream icing, and I'm going to be using this rose powder, so stay tuned for that. If you want to get the recipe, it'll be on my Instagram. Anima Mundi really has the highest quality herbs. They are all organic and either wild crafted or ethically harvested, which is really important. They trust the quality of all their herbs. This company was founded by a really amazing herbalist, Adriana, I believe is how you say her name. I actually have her herbal oracle cards. I've used them for years. Made my tea. It's so simple. It's just the rose powder, some local raw honey, and hot water. It's so yummy and warming and nourishing. Wanted to talk a bit about the other amazing herbal items from Anima Mundi that I got. Relax Tonic and the Calm Tea Mix. Really have been enjoying these lately. As I mentioned in my last video, I've been having a lot of anxiety, unfortunately, and I've just been focusing on introducing things that can calm my nervous system, and that's literally what these are for. It says nervous system support right on here, and it has a lot of my favorite herbs in it. It has lemon balm, passion flower, chamomile, ashwagandha, and lavender. I'm really grateful that I found this because I'm going to be traveling soon, and I know this is going to help me. I'm just going to bring it with, add it to some tea that I get in the airport or juice or something, and just have this in my back pocket in case I start feeling stressed. This calm tea is so wonderful. I love loose leaf tea. This has holy basil, one of my favorite herbs of all time, chamomile, milky oats, another favorite. Rose, marshmallow, Siberian ginseng, and ashwagandha. I can feel my whole body relaxing, and it just kind of just takes the edge off. I don't know if any of you have ever turned to herbs for anxiety, but I found it to be the most helpful way to deal with and support what I'm going through right now. So I highly recommend this. This is like, I'm so happy I discovered that this exists. The mushroom mocha milk, I made it earlier for Sage and I and drank it when I was in the bath. It's so crazy good. I add a tablespoon of this to some raw milk and then a splash of maple syrup, as you saw. Just froth it up in the little frother, and it tastes like heaven. Like, it's just this super yummy, kind of tastes like a dessert, decadent, delicious kind of hot chocolate, but also not too rich. It's just like so good. I really love this. It has so many wonderful functional mushrooms in it. It has reishi, chaga, cordyceps, lion's mane, agaricus, shiitake, and maitake, so it kind of has the whole spread, and I've really been enjoying what it feels like. I've only worked with reishi before, so it's been nice to just get the whole breadth of benefits from the mushrooms. Really good for the brain, the immune system, digestive system, nervous system. All the systems seem to love mushrooms, so I honestly, if you were to try anything out of this and you like yummy drinks, this is so good. I will link these beautiful herbal products down below, and they've offered a discount code, which I'm just so excited to have for myself because I'm ordering their stuff anyway. It's Rohini15 for 15% off. Stock up on your herbal needs. You never know when something might come in handy. I have had so many instances where someone, like our friend's kid, had a toothache, and I'm like, oh, I got an herb for that. Or someone has a stomach ache, got an herb for that. It's just really nice to have on hand. Oh, I'm so grateful for the herbs. So yeah, Anima Mundi is a really wonderful brand. There's no fillers in the products. When you're drinking the tea, you know it's just 100% herbs, which is not always the case in the bag tea at the store, unfortunately. Anima Mundi is made in the US, and they've grown to have 200 different herbs from all around the world on their website. So whatever your needs are, there's something there that might support you. I think it's a really wonderful way to just support your whole life and your well-being. I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the evening and drink my rose tea, but don't forget to use my code Rohini15 for a discount and shop Anima Mundi using the link in the description.
Don't get mad though. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl. Hi, Lucy girl.
What about you? Like, not quite sure, huh? What about you, 13, huh? Cow fan.